Stay. Okay. Let's just say come to that one. Alright, Millie. Hey, sit. Sit up. Oh, don't lick me. Ew. Alright. Millie. Can you sit? You want to sit? Okay, good. Now come here. That's a good doggy. Millie. Sit. Now jump. Good doggy. Good doggy. Yes, you're a good little doggy. You're a good little doggy. Crazy dog, but good. Millie, sit. Sit. Stay. Come here, Millie. That's a good doggy. Alright, want to do it again? Want me to do it again? Alright, Millie. Stop biting my ankles. Ow. Sit. Sit. Millie, sit. Hey, sit. Come on, Chico. Millie. Sit. Stay. Come. No. Stay. Stay. Come here. Here, that was alright. Want to roll over? No rollovers? Play dead? Boom boom? No? Okay. How about we eat the sock? That's a good idea. That's always fun, eating gloves. I mean, I don't want to brag, but I am like the professional glove eater. Millie. Alright, Millie, you want to go inside where it's nice and cool, do you? Oh, that sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? That sounds like a good idea, don't you? Sounds like a good idea. Let's go inside.